The model writes a function, you paste it, the tests pass, and you move on. It works. But a growing argument says the copy-paste step quietly skips something. Here is the idea, and the small habit that answers it. The argument borrows a word from finance: debt. When you accept generated code you have not read closely, you take on cognitive debt. The code runs so the debt is invisible, until weeks later a bug lands in a file you technically wrote but never really read, and you pay it back with interest. The proposed fix is deliberately low-tech. Do not paste the code, retype it. Retyping forces every token through your attention exactly once. It is a speed bump. And at that slower speed you notice the things a skim glides over. The odd name, the branch, that is never handled. Take a throwaway example. The generated function looks fine and passes the happy path test. But retyping it, line by line, you stop on the arithmetic, and the questions arrive on their own. What if the percent is over 100? What if the price came in as a string? The model did not ask. The act of retyping made you ask. So the cost is a few seconds of typing per line. What you buy is real review, done at the moment the code enters your codebase instead of the moment it breaks. You surface edge cases while they are cheap, and you keep the muscle of reading code, rather than trading it away for the muscle of prompting. The takeaway is not that AI code is bad, it is that reading it fast is easy to skip. Retyping is one blunt way to force the reading. You do not have to do it everywhere, but for the code that will matter later, typing it yourself may be the cheapest review you ever run. Now you're one step ahead. Subscribe to BirenAI to stay there.